Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Ms. Nisha from ECOL. First of all, on behalf of ECOL System for Success, I would like to wish you Ramadan Kareem. I hope this Ramadan bring a lot of blessing for you. And as you all are aware of this coronavirus, due to this virus, we are not supposed to go out anywhere. We have to take all the precautions given by our government. Wash your hands, stay indoors, make social distancing. So because of this, we are not supposed to come to school. That is why we have come up to a solution that we should start virtual classes. Our management and our teachers had a meeting and we had a brief discussion on this, and because of this, we came up on a solution that without wasting further time of our students, we should start these online classes. First of all, I would like to give you a short detail about what are we going to teach in our classes. As you all know, because of the virus, we could not finish our entire syllabus, and as Ms. Sana has already told you that in the beginning of the school, when our students will be coming back to school, we will be teaching the entire thing again for our students so that it will be easier for them to continue their studies in the new classes. Now in these classes, what are we planning to do is that we have highlighted the issues what we faced entire year. Our teachers and our management had a brief discussion on this. There are few subjects, so we have come up to a solution that in these days, these are the golden days for us to start working on these kind of subjects in which usually our student faces problem. So how are we going to do it? We have highlighted 5 subjects, and these are English, Math, Islamia, Science and Arts. So we are going to focus on these 5 subjects so that it will make a good base for our students, and we do not have to waste further more time when they come back to school. They will be more focused in these subjects because, as you know, these are the main 4 subjects in which we need a lot of grip. So after this huge break of summer holidays or these virus holidays, our students will face difficulty in these subjects. So that is why we are highlighting all these 5 subjects. So first of all, I would like to inform you that when are we going to start these classes? From 4th of May, we are going to start these classes, which is going to be Monday, inshallah. There will be 2 slots in between 2 till 4 p.m. Now, one more thing. I know a lot of you already know that how to operate internet applications or have access to this technology, but some of our parents are still not able to understand this process thoroughly. So here I am going to tell each and everything for them so that it will be easier for them as well. As you know that we have to look into all the entire we have to look into each individual of you. So how are we going to do is that I am going to give each and every detail about the apps we are going to use. I know most of you are fluent in applications, almost most of the applications, but some of you are not familiar of these applications. So there will be 2 platforms on which we are going to be working: Zoom and WhatsApp groups. For classes, first of all, I am going to go according to the classes. First of all, I am going to talk about playgroup till class 3. How are we going to manage these classes? We are going to make individual group, WhatsApp group for each of the classes. हर क्लास का एक इंडिविजुअल ग्रुप होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्ले ग्रुप का 1 इंडिविजुअल ग्रुप, रिसेप्शन का, बिगनर्स 1 का, बिगनर्स 2 and onwards till class 3. So in those groups, teachers will be posting their lectures, all the links which is related to their lecture, the homework and everything which is needed to explain their lecture. So all the parents can take details from those groups, and after 1 week we will be having 1 Zoom session class for all these classes, in which all the students will be giving their feedback and they can ask their questions, they can ask in details whatever they want to discuss related to their homework. Now moving towards classes 4 till class 7, we have planned on doing only Zoom sessions for them because they are big enough, they are able to control the technology themselves as well. So we have just kept Zoom classes. They will be having 5-day classes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We are taking break for the Friday because as we all know it is Ramadan, and on Friday people have to prepare more because of the holy day. So we have given the break on Friday and we are going to take the classes on Saturday. So Friday and Sunday would be off for all the students, and rest of the days classes will be continued as scheduled. The timings will be between 2 till 4 p.m. There will be 2 slots and we will be giving you further details about those slots in the caption below. So this session will be of 40 minutes. In this session, the teacher will be giving proper lecture, proper detail to the students in the beginning of 30 minutes, and in the last 10 minutes, teacher will be communicating with their students. Any queries if they are having, they can ask their teachers without any hesitations. Classes, I will be explaining each and every detail to you that how are you going to operate it, because we know that it is new thing for both of us. जैसे कि आपके लिए नया है, उसी तरह हमारे लिए नया है. So you don't have to worry about it. We will be giving you each and every detail about it. And even in the beginning classes, teachers will be explaining their students how to operate it. So classes will be started after the 1 week or probably earlier, just as the students are able to understand the procedure properly, because we know it's new for both of us. So you don't have to worry about it that किस तरह से होगा, हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा या कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, you can feel free to tell us, you can feel free to discuss it with your teacher during their online sessions, ताकि वो जो मैसेज आपको कन्वे करना चाह रही हैं, whatever the message they are trying to convey you, it's a request from all the students. If you have any queries related to online classes, feel free to ask your teachers. बिल्कुल परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. That means हमें. So if you have any question, you can ask your teachers. You can even ask us through our Facebook inbox. आप लोग वहाँ message कर सकते हो हमें. I will personally reply each and every one of you, and our equal team will be there to guide you in every possible manner. Now moving towards class 8 till class 9. These classes are already having their online classes by Miss Nagma. And alhamdulillah, we're not facing any issues. Okay, proper lectures हो रहे हैं, proper assignments जा रहे हैं, they're preparing very well. So thanks to Miss Nagma for that. Okay, moving towards class metric, inshallah we will be starting their classes as well, because I know उनका almost हमारा पूरा syllabus covered up था. So for the revision classes, we will be starting their classes soon, inshallah ta'ala. So don't worry about that. One more thing, I will be sharing all the screenshots with you how to operate it by posting each and every caption, so that it will be easier for you to understand how to operate. This is how I'm going to explain you. I am showing you few screenshots of this Zoom app, that how do you operate this app, so that it will be easier for you when you will access this application or download this application. It will be easier for you to understand it properly. Okay, the first picture I'm sharing with you is how to be audible or how to understand or listen to the voice of the speaker. जब आपकी टीचर आपके साथ मीटिंग है, मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स से डिस्कशन कर रही हूँ, so make sure you all are listening it very carefully. When your teachers are discussing with you or taking the classes, the first option you will be getting is calling using internet audio. That will make you audible to speak with your teacher, and also you can communicate with your teacher through it. So there will be your teacher. Moving towards the next picture, this icon, as you can see, where I have marked the circle, mute लिखा हुआ है, एक mic बना हुआ है छोटा सा और उस पे mute लिखा हुआ है. तो उधर एक ऑप्शन है, आप उसको अगर क्लिक करते हैं तो आप वहाँ से पॉज हो जाएंगे। यू वट एवर यू आर सेइंग, और आपके बैकग्राउंड में जो भी आवाज़ आ रही है वो आपकी टीचर नहीं सुन सकेगी, वरना आपकी टीचर वो सारी बातें सुन सकेंगी। सो आई वुड रिकमेंड यू ऑल टू कीप इट म्यूट, क्योंकि जब आपकी टीचर आपको प्रॉपर लेक्चर एक्सप्लेन कर देंगी उसके बाद आप उनसे डिस्कशन फॉरम जब स्टार्ट होगा, यू कैन अनम्यूट इट एंड यू कैन हैव अ डिस्कशन विद योर टीचर। तो ये जो ऑप्शन है इस पे क्रॉस मार्क आ रहा होगा, तो जब ये क्रॉस मार्क आ रहा होगा इसका मतलब आपकी आवाज़ वहाँ नहीं जा सकती। जब क्रॉस मार्क रिमूव हो जाएगा इट मीन्स योर टीचर कैन हियर यू। मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर, it's the option for stopping your video. This option, as you can see where the circle has been marked, red circle has been, because this option will make your video stop. आपकी वीडियो वैसे तो हमारी टीचर्स सबकी वीडियो पॉज ही कर देंगे, सो इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू टू ओनली लुक इनटू योर टीचर्स वीडियो इंस्टेड ऑफ लुकिंग इनटू ईच अदर्स पिक्चर्स. In the next picture, it is showing you how do you end the class. There's an option on the right corner on the top, end button. You will press that button, and after that button it will give you option leave meeting. You will click on that option, and through this option you will be out from the class. Do everything, so don't worry about it. As you all know, it's about time. We've been thinking that technology को हमें positive way में अच्छाई में यूज़ करना चाहिए. So this is a chance, this is a better option, that we should start taking this chance and use technology in a positive manner. दुनिया बहुत आगे जा चुकी है एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम माशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान भी बिल्कुल इस तरह से आगे बढ़ेगा अगर हम अपनी न्यू जनरेशन को हर नई चीज़ से इंट्रोड्यूस करना सिखाएंगे. सो इट्स अबाउट टाइम दैट वी इंशाल्लाह आप लोग को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं होगी. हम लोग की क्लासेस बहुत फर्दर स्मूथ जाएंगी और टॉपिक्स क्लियर करना चाहते हैं अपने बच्चों के. जैसे ही वो टॉपिक्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे उसके बाद हम अपने सिलेबस को भी टच करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. बिकॉज वी डोंट नो टिल व्हेन दीज हॉलीडेज आर गोइंग टू एक्सटेंड और प्रॉब्ली नॉट. इंशाल्लाह ताला हमारी उम्मीद यही है कि 1 जून से वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग द स्कूल. बट जस्ट इन केस इफ द हॉलीडेज एक्सटेंड्स वी विल बी देयर टू guide you, teach you in all possible manner we can. So thank you so much. It was good communication with you all. I hope you understand each and everything, and we will be seeing you in our Zoom classes and our WhatsApp forum. Thank you so much.
Allah Hafiz.